YouTube. The 40 Ford Coupe race car is finished. Get you a good look. I didn't weather it. I thought about doing it, but I just kind of think I'm going to leave one alone for now. Most of the time I weather everything, so this one I think I'm just going to let it ride. Take the hood off. Didn't put any spark plug wires on. I tried to do the wires that it comes with on there, which is a task itself. I didn't put any mesh on the front either because I just wanted it to look like they just rolled up and haven't raced yet or anything. So that is what it looks like. I never actually glued this down either, so you can actually take it off. Now the inside though, that is glued in. I did put dirt. I did the video the other day. You could see those molding circles inside. I put some dirt in there over top of it. Put some seat belts in. That's just tape and cut pieces of plastic. Not that you can really see it, but just for peace of mind. But that is the turnout. Real quick video today, just showing you what it looks like and how it turned out. Like I said, I didn't even glue it down. I did put some pieces in there and painted that black. You know, not much going on there. Not very detailed in there, but it looks good like that. Found a nice picture of a flat head that was painted red and black, so that goes right along with it. And then that just sits right on there. And there you have it. 40 Ford Coupe dirt track car. Try to turn it that way. Oh, sticking up a little bit. Didn't quite go in. There we go. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and God bless.